Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to solve a more frequently asked type of question in data engineer or data analyst type of interviews. Okay, it is a question where we will be asked to find out the number of records that will return for each joins. So interviewer will be asking these questions commonly because of to understand how a candidate have the confidence in different types of joins. See, we have different types of joins like inner join and outer join and cross join and self joins, right? So here the possibility of questions would be like you tell me the number of records that it will return if you use inner join, if you use left and right and full joins and cross joins. Okay, this type of question mostly asked more frequently. Okay, let's see that by execution. Okay, here I'm considering two tables like ABC and XYZ having those values like ID and department IDs having 1, 0 and null values. So whenever you have given this type of values into the table, then you should ask interviewer should we consider null values or not. Okay, if I tell you should consider null, then we'll proceed accordingly. See, when we have joining these two tables, it will be returning some records as output, and for different joins, it will be returning different output. See, if you are using inner join, then it will be returning the common valued records. Select if you want to. I'm just assigning a table ABC as A with alias A and returning ID from ABC join. I mean this is an inner join XYZ as B on A dot ID is equals to B dot Deptid. See, whenever you join these two tables on the basis of these IDs, then it will join the common values. I mean, one will join with one values. 0 will join with 0 values. But you cannot join null values with null because of you don't know what is the value of null here and what is the value of null here. But as it looks like it is same, but it is not the same because of null represents not a value. It is not mentioned any value. So we cannot ensure that these values are same. So whenever you're using inner join, you should not use this joining condition because of as it look like is same, but it is not same. Okay, we don't know exact what is the value, and since it is a null, it is not a value. Okay, see then how many records it will return as output? One will be joining with this one, and zero will be joining with zero and zero. Total of four records. Next, null won't join, right? Next, one will join with again two. Then one will join with one. Okay, total of eight records, right? So let's execute it. What you are getting error a dot id. We are not assigned, right? This table has to be assigned. Okay. See how many records that you are getting? Eight records in inner join. Okay. Now if you use left join, what will happen in left join? You will be joining common values so that like inner join you will be returning it will returning eight records as well as the uncommon values present in uncommon records present in left table, right? Because of we are using left join. So uncommon values are what are they? These are the uncommon values. I mean See, we don't know what is the value, and because of it is null, it is not a value. Okay, so we should return these two values also. Okay, let's see that. How many records it will return? That is 8 plus these two. Total of 10 records will be returned. Okay, that's what you can see here. Similarly, in case of right join, It will be joining all common values and it also returning the values remain in right table. That is, let's see here how many are there. See, if you use the right join, it will be returning the common between these two tables like 8 records as inner join. With addition to that, the uncommon values present in right, I mean this right table, right? 1, 2, 3. These are the three extra values will be written, right? Or records, whatever are there. Okay. Now, if you see that, and because of we are just returning only the values corresponding to these IDs, right? Let's see how many records it will return. Or if you want to say, if you want to return b dot depot ID, then also you will be clear. Let's see that as well. Now you can observe 8 plus 3, total of 11 records. See, total of 11 records you will be returning. Okay, that is in right join. Now, if you use a cross join or full join, what will happen? It will be returning the common values like inner join as 8 records. With addition to that, the uncommon values in left table and uncommon values in right table. Total of 8 plus 2, 10 and 3, right? Total of 13 records will be returned in full join. Okay. Next, what else? Next is cross join, right? What will happen in cross join? In cross join, it won't see any matching or not matching. It will be joined with each record from one table to each record present in another table. I mean, if you see these tables, here, no matter of their values, it will be joining with 1 with all values, 0 with all values. Either it is null or not null, no matter. Okay. If you can see that, you will be returning 1 with all, 0 with all, null with all. I mean, for how many records are there present in one table, will be joining with all the values in another table. So you will be getting 6 into 7. Total of 42 records will be returned. See, 42 records. Okay, this is how cross join will works. Okay, I hope this is understandable and thanks for watching.